guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rudpura this side. Hope you are all doing amazing. I received my order and this is the 2 Rhode lip balm, and I'm trying out with you guys itself. So let's see. It's very buttery and smooth and glides easily. Yeah, it's pretty good and feels hydrating too. So we'll go to the next. And I don't know, peptide lip tint. It's color salty tan, or I have to check the box exactly. I don't know the color. And this this is the same thing. Oh, espresso. So yeah, that is salty tan. So this is not pink, this is tan, and yeah, that's why you didn't see any pink color. Even I'm getting it now. This is brown. Yeah, this is also nice, but color variations are different than Summer Friday, so both of them are hydrating. I don't know what to pick, and Summer Fridays has much more pigment values. And love you guys. Bye.